Sri Lanka. This is a country most people don't associate with motorcycle travel, but a place packed with winding mountain roads, untamed jungles, and the wildest roadblocks you could ever imagine. We're here to uncover the beauty, culture, and hidden gems of back roads, and discover a world on two wheels that with us on a Sri Lanka. So we are right in the middle of Sri Lanka now. We are here. And today we are going to be starting by joining up with the 26 until this junction here, and then taking this crazy winding road all the way through the mountains until Matale, where we'll be joining up with the 9 to finish the day in the city of Dambulla. I think that lasted for more like an hour.
And just to have like a nice breakfast with everyone, you know, nobody wanted to leave.
Woo, here we go. Yeah. I mean, if you're riding on the road all the time, this kind of terrain is definitely a challenge.
Hello.
This eco lodge, the Madulkele Lodge, was built at the top of this massive tea plantation, which is the Madulkele tea plantation. Yeah, what a view to wake up to this morning. It was pretty spectacular to come out of our canvas tent and see the Knuckles mountain range on the other side of the valley, the mountain range that we are going to be riding alongside today, and then crossing over. We were told at the tea factory we visited a few days ago. Oh look, there's some goats up on that rock over there, look.
Yeah, I can see them. And now we're riding through like a little tea picking village. Everything is based around tea farming.
We were told that it's only the women that pick the tea and the men do the other jobs on the plantation, like this fella here with hello with some sort of container on his back, so he's obviously spraying some sort of insecticide or pesticide. This is probably the cricket pitch. You can see the 3 stumps on the ground, and here's the boundary line, you see.
Oh. Oh, okay, yep. So back on the roads, and look at all the school kids here. They're all wearing the white, the white clothing. That's the word.
Wow, there's loads of monkeys on the side of the road. Beautiful.
Look at this view here now, guys. Absolutely stunning. And number 9. Wow. Number 12. Number 13. Number 17 and number 18. Yay! Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, you can see the reservoir that we just came from, all the way down there at the bottom of the hill. So yeah, we have climbed up very, very high on the bumpiest road known to man.
Wow, we are so high up now.
The top of the pass, the top of the knuckles. Hello, we have done it.
Oh my god, I'm so happy that we made it to our lunch spot.
And after all of these windy roads, we have caught up to a bus. And now Joe is at the front behind the bus, but there is absolutely no chance of overtaking here. But there are spectacular views on the other side. Look at this. So much forest, so much green as far as the eye can see. Spectacular.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yay, they let us all go. No Sri Lankan prison for us. So we're just coming up to our stay for tonight. The Sigriana Resort, just on the outskirts of Dambulla. Takes for about 9 hours today.